Now, welcome to my YouTube channel, Excellent NCRT Classes, where you will get all the videos, lectures of NCRT books of subject and economics and social science. Now let's start. So last time in the last video we had covered the French Revolution. Now in this video we will continue the explanation. So now in the 18th century, France was divided into three estates. First is clergy, second is nobility, and third estate was consisted of big businessmen, merchants, officials, lawyers, peasants, and artisans, small peasant, landless labor, and servants. Okay, now so in this estate, only first and second they did not pay the tax. Okay, in this now, so what happened? Figure to show how the system of state in the French society was organized. Peasants made up about 90% of population. So as we know that the French society was divided into three states, and where first and second state was totally exempted from paying the tax system, and where only third state had to pay the taxes to the royal government. So in that 90% population was the peasant community, was of the peasant community. In that peasant community, 60% peasants were not having the land. They were cultivating the lands of the nobles, clergy, and other merchant groups. Okay, and only 30% peasants were having their own lands. So the situation was so critical, and so now this third group had to pay their services, had to render means give the services, give, to the court, in army, and building the roads. So in this way they rendered their services in doing the household work of the court, of the lord, and in army, and building the roads. So now again, what we have learned. So in 18th century, France was divided into three states. First is clergy, nobility, and merchants, peasants, and third group was consisted of the merchants, peasants, small peasant, and laborers. But only third group had to pay the taxes to the royal government, and the above two groups were exempted from paying the taxes. Rule. Okay, so now, but in this third group, the condition was so miserable for the peasants. Why? Because 90% population of the peasants, and where only 60%, only 60% only in that 60% population of the peasants were not having the land of their own. So they were working on the lands of the clergy and noble persons or merchants land. So and only 30% peasants were having their own lands. So the condition of the peasants was so miserable. Now next one, and what they had to do? the third group also had to render means to give the services. So they had to provide the services to the court. Time to time they had to give, and they in doing the household work of the household families, sorry, in doing the household work of the royal families, and in army, okay, and building the roads. So they were rendering their services in this way, right?